Hello again. This video is ridiculous for me to make because it's about dieting and I have nothing to do with dieting. I mean, I know nothing about it. I love to eat. I cook rather well, and because I cook well, I have a lot of friends who eat what I cook. But the problem is, I have a few girlfriends. I mean, friends, girls, not girlfriends, and they keep pestering me all the time. I mean, how many calories is this? Is this fattening? Is this good for you? And this is a pain in the butt. And I um, uh, I don't know anything about diet, as I said, but I do know about the Mediterranean diet because I'm Greek, and in Greece, this is what it's all about. It's where it all started in Crete, basically, and the basis of it is like olive oil, red wine, and so it's a great diet. And not, I wouldn't call it diet. I would call it a way of eating. The other one is a keto diet. This I don't know anything about it. I've never heard anything about it. But the girls asked me to check it out because they trust my judgment, I guess. Anyway, I took a look at that, and both diets seem to be pretty logical and reasonable. I know there's like zillions of diets out there, and most of them are fads and stupid and useless or whatever. But anyway, I just like put two links in the description where you can go and make a custom plan for you in both Mediterranean diet and the keto diet, and it leads you through and tells you, ask you questions like what do you eat and blah blah, and you can just check it out and see yourselves which one is good for you, if any. So I'm not going to talk anymore about this because, as I said, I know nothing except that you should eat tons of Greek olive oil and drink red wine. So check the two links and do the quiz or something and figure out if you should do it or not. So see you again. Bye.